Ed Dakiwag, Robbie Celis, Will Macaloni, and Billy Ray Robles. Number 3 versus number 8 in the North Division. Robbie Celis. Oh, natapikan ni Sanga. Ronnie Matias. Acrobatic shot. Wala. Rebound. Ronnie Matias for 2.
Alam mo, nakakatakot ito for the other teams.
With those numbers na nakita natin when they played against Iloilo.
Oo, ang challenge lang talaga kay Ronnie minsan is when he's being challenged personally. Kasi talaga naman, this...
Robles, binigay kay Robbie Celis. JC Colliar steps into this 3 and he knocks it down.
And this guys really had matured all well. Talagang, ano kuya, ano kailangan ko sa laro ko?
Yeah.
Di ba? Sigurado, kailangan magkaroon ka ng shooting.
No, it's very important as a young player, as Billy.
Na magse-set up sila.
2 steals now for Ed Dakiwag, and it's a 7-0 run para dito sa Nueva Ecija after Caloocan scored the first 4 points of the ball. Robles finds Macaloni. The jumper is good para kay Will Macaloni. First basket for Will Macaloni. Libre si Sanga. Well, Sanga lets it fly and he scores that 3. Colliar, Celis, jumper from the elbow.
That's too easy for Rob Celis.
Coach Louie.
Thanks so much, Mika. Great similarity between Gabby Espinas and Will Macaloni, and parehong kaliwete.
Oo.
You know,
Nakamaganda doon sa Delta. I was about to say that yung respeto. And every time na meron kang ganun doon sa upo.
tama si Gabby Espinas, Joko Tayongtong, and Axel Inigo, Ache Inigo rather, as Grobis. Billy Ray Robles with 4 points in the ball game. Inigo on the move, leaves it to Espinas for 2. And to contrast niya, rebound nakuha ni Billy Ray Robles. Celis gets a running start, and the layup is good.
Credit that extra possession, second.
Ayay and JV Bayo, but Ryan Costello.
Again, this is a different outlook. Pero ang veterano mo naman nandun sa backcourt mo.
No, but these are really good complementary pieces. Let's look at Irvin Palencia with a turnaround shot.
Yung Coach Alex
Last season as Costello misses. Bahio inside, basket plus the foul. And JV Bahio. First quarter scores brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Valencia staying in front of Costello. Costello fires and hits. Three-pointer and a steal by Wilson. Costello back to Wilson for 2.
That's too easy.
Eman Calo in the ball game. Binigay kay John Wilson for 3. It's good. 1 of 8 from beyond the arc of Caloocan. 3 of 6 for Nueva Ecija. Calo with a jumper.
Yeah, especially coming from that left side.
Another miss from beyond the arc. They're 1 of 9 Caloocan. Wilson finds Robbie Celis with a left-handed finish. 8 ang kalamangan dito.
Ang maganda doon sa Robbie Celis, getting his 12 point in the sa game. Same manner lahat eh. Just dreams run. Das itong team ng Caloocan.
Liu.
Finally.
That's a 3-pointer para kay Joel Liu. Baka pwedeng bilisan ng Caloocan ng laro.
Oo. And ayun ito yung pinag-usapan natin sa Delph. When I was trying to check the stats, I got surprised na maganda yung record nitong team na to. Galan, konting possession lang.
11 assists for Nueva Ecija, 5 for Caloocan, and that's back-to-back triples para kay Joel Liu. Labas kay Eman, back to Toto, 3-pointer, yes. Matias Able to find Liu from the corner. That's a 3.
There you go. Kay Joey Leo delivering. Kung
Tayo eh.
Oo. Kasi it's really hard to explain that because ang nag-trigger nung
Drives right. Celis on the kick out. That's good. Robbie Celis. What a half. Halftime scores brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the NPBL. Liar. Robles, two-man game with Robbie Celis, and that's good.
there you go. Again,
Back to Cuellar.
and this is what you get if you have a Dakiwa, Cuellar, and Billy Ray Robles as your backcourt combination.
Third team foul already para sa Nueva Ecija. Gabby Espina scores underneath.
He's really gonna sit down on JB Bayo. Done.
Mahio with the runner. It's good. Cabanag. Nasa penalty na Nueva Ecija. Cabanag launches and scores.
There you go.
5 points para kay Jeramer Cabanag. Cuellar swings it over to Bahio, who's into double figures.
That short corner specialty of the house ni JB Bahio yan. Seen that a lot.
4-41. Espinas drop pass to Matias. The two veterans combining.
Yeah.
That won't go. Cabanag. Jumper is good.
So let's see. They need to make a good defense.
Wilson gets the inbound. Binabatay ni Liu. Toto Villarias. Baba kay Saldua. Pretty play from Nueva Ecija. Third quarter scores brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the NPBL.
20 points in that third quarter for Caloocan, 16 for Nueva Ecija. Kasi nung first half talagang is all Nueva Ecija.
Aaron Hiruta now the one. Caloocan.
Quick hands there by Joey Liu.
Inside Cervantes, the off-balance shot is good. And it's just a 5-point lead for...
These are a bunch of veteran players na just waiting for the right time and the right rhythm.
And talking about rhythm, that's a rhythm shot para kay Ryan Costello. Turnover for Aaron Hiruta.
Cervantes wide open there already on top.
And Costello comes right back. He's got 10 points. Saldua thought about the three, takes the three and knocks it down.
Yeah, that's bonus for you. Everybody needs to step up. Especially, yung kalaban mo, number 3 sa standing to. Hindi pa to masyado natatalo.
And what a move galing kay John Wilson.
More things to improve on as always, and I discussed his conversions on assists and his shooting, pero sabi niya, di ko pa rin kaya gawin lahat, Mika. I honestly want to improve my shooting. At ang tumutulong sa kanya ay si Coach Rob Wainwright, a veteranong player turned coach. Imagine if he achieves this improvement on threes even more. So Delph, Coach Louie.
Maraming salamat, Mika. And wow, gusto pa maging shooter ni Robbie Celis, ha?
Again,
pero okay yung coach niya, Rob Wainwright.
yes, and it will add more versatility to the team for Nueva Ecija. And later on, kasi sa Delph, as you grow older.
Cuellar quickly to Calo. Eman, dire-diretso si Eman Calo.
Parang naglakad pa sa ere si Eman Calo dun eh.
54-59 earlier. Lumobo na nga talaga as Joel Liu gets into double figures. 14. Calo. Cuellar working with Macaloni. Macaloni banks it in. 6 points para kay Will Macaloni. Calo. Nag-alangan sa kanyang pasa. He recovers it though. Will Macaloni with a short stab. Pati talbog ng bola kanila.
Oo.
Take the W here as Talo misses on that one.
Oo.
Last 2 minutes is brought to you by GameX Sports. The Figue on the move, left-handed scoop, won't go. Valin. And it looks like Kasin will get the 2 points. That to happen here.
Yes, and ayun lang. Again, it happened a lot in basketball na it was close, then suddenly that turnover. Oo, kasi yung mga players doon with that quality, easily, if they
Win. The final score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta ending, GameX.